Hi, thank you for joining me again. A bit of an update for the food forest. We have a blueberry bush here, a Duke blueberry bush. I'm planning to plant it soon. I think I decided where I'm gonna plant this, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm still gonna have a look around before planting it. Over the course of the last few days, I planted 3 fruit bushes. So we have 2 gooseberry bushes here and a blackcurrant at the back. They were gifted by my neighbor. I met my lady neighbor I think on Monday. I saw her working outside and I went to gift her my little Miss Camelia book, and she came back very kindly, and she brought me 2 gooseberry bushes and a blackcurrant. As you can see, this is quite big. We'll see how it will do. Hopefully it will take. They shouldn't have too much trouble. Usually blackcurrants are easy to grow, and I planted it here, and underneath here we have some buds of chanterelles. No, not chanterelles. We have porcini, I think, one bud we found in the forest a few days ago. But yeah, this is one of the 3 bushes. Been doing lots of other things over the weekend, so the garden has been left a bit untended. We had family visiting, and Wigtown Book Festival is taking place until the 2nd of October. Today is the 1st of October, so tomorrow is the last day, I think. And yeah, we've been to a couple of events. So last night actually was the 2nd event we had booked. It was with Graham McTavish. He's been in Outlander, in The Hobbit, in The House of Dragon, more recent one. And yeah, he unfortunately wasn't able to attend in person, but it was by video call, and I was really impressed. The video call went so smoothly, the connection was perfect, very well organized, great questions asked, and yeah, Mr. Graham McTavish is a great storyteller. He alluded to writing some fiction books. He wrote several in his childhood, and I think he's currently working on one. So hopefully, maybe next year he'll be back. We'll be able to meet him in person. So yeah, I think this is the spot where I'm going to plant it, because I'm thinking to make like a pathway. There's around that area here there is lots of snowdrops in the spring, so I'm thinking, from what I remember, so I'm thinking to make like a pathway. This tree might go at some point because it's leaning that way, and it doesn't have any fruits, I don't think so. It's just ornamental, so space is limited here. It's bigger than most UK gardens, I guess, especially if you live in a city, but still space is limited if you want to grow as much as possible. So I'm thinking to make a pathway through here towards the apple tree here. And yeah, an update on the apple tree as well. We had a really big storm yesterday until it lasted until 2 o'clock. I was worried we might miss the event for Planlands, the Graham McTavish, but fortunately the weather improved and we had clear skies. It was beautiful weather in the afternoon, but it was raging early on. Several apples fell down. I picked them yesterday. But yeah, I am keeping my eye on this, as I mentioned previously. Like, look at my hand. My hand is not too big. My hands are quite small, but still, look at the size of this apple. It's pretty big. and they started to turn red, as you can see there. So I'm yeah, just keeping my eyes on that, see how big it can get. It doesn't look that big on this picture here, this video, but yeah, it's quite big, and they taste delicious as previously mentioned. So yeah, I'm gonna get on planting this. I've put some coffee grounds here. I was planning to use them to grow oyster mushrooms, but they got a bit moldy while they were in the kitchen, and I put them here on the ground because I know blueberry bushes like acidic soil. So yeah, still no wood chips. If you know anyone and you live in the area, you know anyone who wants to get rid of free wood chips who are not tainted by any sort of chemical like damaging stuff, do let me know. So yeah, I'm excited about this. We got this bush at the Logan Botanical. Okay, I've dug the hole. It's ready to go in now. It's ready to go in, as I mentioned, and I'm going to tease the roots a bit because it was in that round plastic pot, and yeah, they're a bit going round. Anyway, just wanted to show you, but can't do it with my left hand, so I'll just plant it and show you afterwards. Okay, so I've had to tease the roots quite a bit. I'm gonna try and avoid buying plants, especially bushes or trees from which are grown in pots, especially round ones, because this was quite in a difficult state. Hopefully it will be okay. But yeah, I had to tease a lot, and even so, it's still quite, you know, they say be careful with roots, but in this case, I was really going for it. Because, you know, chopped some bits here. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so I've planted a blueberry bush, the Duke blueberry. It's quite prolific variety from what I've read, and it's supposed to give fruits from July to August. I think it's a late blooming variety because it's not in danger of frost, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, and this is really kind of what I'm thinking to make the path from there, going around this apple tree. I might plant another apple tree here, although it's quite shaded, but we have light from this side where my neighbor is. So I don't know. So maybe I can put one more apple, or at least another fruit, two, three, who knows. Yeah, I'm not. You can probably see actually how windy it is at the moment, but yesterday was way worse. Yeah, so this is how I'm thinking to make the path. This is going there, this is going this way. Put some blueberry branches and ones. I don't know if they're gonna take really. I just stuck them in there and hope for the best. But yeah, so this is how it looks now. I'm going this way next. I'm probably gonna plant.
What a stunning day today. Look at that blue sky, and I'm not sure if you can tell from my voice, but I've got a cold, so we'll probably be staying at home all day. Can't go anywhere with this cold, but I wanted to show you the blueberry bush. I'm not sure how well I recorded yesterday because I was saying something about full storage on my phone. But yeah, it's planted here now. It's a Duke blueberry bush, and yeah, we'll see how it'll do. That's some ornamental trees just over there, but we'll keep them for the the birds and the bees. I think they will bloom really beautifully. We have the gooseberry bushes here, gifted by my neighbor. And at the back, we have the blackcurrant bush. So yeah, this is it for now in the garden. 4 fruit bushes and a lovely, delicious apple tree, which is doing really well. I collected some fallen apples the other day from the storm, but yeah, this is keeps on growing. After they will ripe completely, after I pick them, I'm going to prune the top of it because there's a lot of dry wood, dead wood, which I didn't prune when I did most of the tree early on. But yeah, I don't want to disturb these apples for now. So yeah, and I look forward to receiving the mushroom mycelium to inoculate these logs. I need to prepare the holes. Yeah, still a lot of mess in the yard. I need to prepare the holes. Oh, here's a piece of glass, of course. Been picking glass for the last couple of weeks. I still find pieces in the garden, sadly. But yeah, I was saying I need to prepare the holes for the 3 fruit trees I purchased. They will be delivered in November, middle of November. And this is where I plan to plant the quince. This one here. So about 5 meters or 6 away from the house. So yeah. And I don't know where I'll plant the plum and the pear, but I have an idea. So we'll see. Yeah, here is the best. It's smaller piles now, but yeah, I need to sort this out. Okay, thank you for watching this somewhat rambling video.